2 degrees and 9 to 5, and I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I never got no regret.
Hello everyone, assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm back again with another new makeup tutorial. And you guys can tell that the look is this one, but I know it might not be everyone's cup of tea, but you can always enjoy a good makeup tutorial, right? So if you guys do want to see how I did this look, we will see it in this video. And this look is actually inspired by the Space Age highlighters from Kaleidos makeup. So I wanted to do something with greens today, and I also have their eyeshadow palette, so I also use those in my eye makeup too. And you can see the highlighter. I'm just dying over these highlighters. These are just so good, and I definitely recommend you guys to try them out if you can. So I'll be leaving all the details in the description box below, so make sure you guys do check them out. And without any further ado, let's move on with the tutorial. So I'm starting with my base makeup as usual, and at first I'm actually hydrating my skin with a moisturizer, and the one that I'm using today is from Loreal, and this is called the Hydra Genius Aloe Water, and I've been using this one for the past week, and honestly speaking, I am in love with this one. It's so good, and I think for winter it's perfect. Oh, it feels so nice, plus the smell of this one is very soothing. Got the stain out of my dress, and I really hope I don't ruin it anymore. Okay, so this one is actually a makeup remover towel, so I'm just going to wear it for the period of my makeup. Okay, so the next step is color correcting. I always go in with my Inglot Pro HD concealer, and this is actually in the shade Fawn. You guys have seen me using this one tons and tons of time, so I don't think you guys need any reminder of the product. But if you guys don't know, then this is the shade Fawn, and I prefer to use it as my color corrector. Okay, so I just realized that I actually didn't use any primer. My bad. But I think I'm good because I've used the moisturizer and it is kind of very smoothing and very hydrating. So I will skip primer today. Now moving to the foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. It's such a big name, but you get it, right? The matte foundation from Fenty Beauty. Now they have a hydrating one too, and I'm really excited to try that one out. I will try it out in stores when I go to UK, inshallah. So this is actually in the shade 330. I kind of have a love-hate kind of relationship with this foundation. I don't know why, but it's not that it's bad. It's good, but I've tried better foundations. And the next step is the concealer to highlight my face, and I'm also pairing up the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer. I know it's quite light, but I actually couldn't match the undertone with the foundation because every other one was actually kind of looking a little bit pink, a little bit too muddy, so I had to choose a yellow one, and this was by far the closest yellowish type of tone that I found out, so I went ahead and bought it. Also, not going to be applying any sort of eye base. I am just going to be covering my lids with the same concealer, and that is going to be acting as my base. Now the base is almost done and I just need to set it with a powder, and I am going to be using my all-time favorite. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder and this is in the shade Banana Bread. I'm done setting the base and now I'll be going off camera and I'll be doing my eyebrows and one side of the eye makeup, and then I'll come back and do this side with you guys. Okay, so at first I'm taking the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession eyeshadow palette, and from this one I'm going to be taking this very beautiful sky sort of blue shade. Now going in with the Kaleidos VR Neon palette, I'm going to be picking up this parrot green color and this is in the shade Glitch. And this one particularly I will focus on the outer part of my eyes. And I'm sort of going to be making it a little bit blown out. Now again from the Sapphire Obsession palette, I'm taking this matte royal blue shade with the e.l.f. blending brush and I'm going to be focusing it in the crease. Taking this NYX glitter eyeliner and this is in the shade Crystal Gold, and I'm going to be applying this in the new inner corner that I created. And also slightly you can add a little bit into your eyelid too. And and I'll be right back after applying a little bit of mascara and false eyelashes. Now for highlighting the brow bone, I'm going in with the Kaleidos Makeup Space Age Laser Glazer highlighter, and oh my god, this is stunning. I tell you guys need to try out these highlighters. Like, this is beautiful. Honestly speaking, I really need to sleep right now because I haven't slept whole night, and it's actually 9 a.m. in the morning and I'm very sleepy, honestly. But I'm trying to film as much as video possible because before I leave I want to have content ready for you guys so that you guys don't miss out on my channel. Now it's time for the blush, but I'm not going to be using any pink sort of blush today. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Tried palette, and from this one I'm taking this tangerine orangish type of shade, and this is going to be my blush today. And it's time for applying the highlighter, but before going in with the highlighting powder, I'm taking my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and I'm using the cream with my sponge, slightly dabbing it into the cheekbones so that when I apply the next highlighter it looks like skin on my face and it doesn't look powdery. Huda Beauty. I'm almost running out of my Huda Beauty Bronze Sands Edition palette. The cream is almost gone. So you see, it's nothing much, so it's just a base for the highlighter, which I really like to do. So now for highlighter, I'm using the same one that I used in my brow bone while doing my eye makeup. This is the Kaleidos Makeup Laser Glazer highlighter from their Space Age collection. And this is a very beautiful duochrome shade. I don't know if you guys can see the shift or not, but it's got like a pink to bronzy kind of a shift to it, and if you look at it in another direction where the light hits it, it kind of looks green. So it's a duochrome shade and it's so beautiful. I tell you guys need to try out these highlighters. Okay, ready for it? It's so beautiful! Wow. I need a mirror. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm blown away by these highlighters. Honestly guys, they're completely worth your money. So I'm now just taking a lip liner. This is the Colourpop CDRL. This is my go-to brown color right now. Previously I used to love the Loreal Infallible what's the brown color name? I actually forgot the name, but it was a lip liner from Loreal and I actually ran out of it, but hopefully I will get my hands on it, or I will find it in UK when I go there, because I absolutely love that one and that is my like go-to. That is the best one, but this one is a little bit more ashier in tone, but it works fine, so I'm going to be using this one. I'm going in for a nude lip color, obviously, because you see this look right here, it's too much already for the eye makeup, but if I use a bold lip color too, then it will be like in your face, you know. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to like make you guys uncomfortable, so I'm just going to use a nude lip to pair up with this lip. I just want to share something with you guys, that I actually have a problem. The problem is that when I like something, when I fall in love with something, I just can't stop using it. Like, if I use something and I like it, then you will see me use it again and again and again and again. And I think it's kind of good and bad at the same time, because you guys get to see what I love personally and how it works on me, and that I completely love something. And then again, I know it can be kind of boring sometimes, but I'm sorry, but I can't help it. It's just how I am. So the lip color that I'm using today, this is from Absolute New York. This is their Matte Made in Heaven, and the shade that I'm using is Sly, S-L-Y, Sly. And I've been obsessing over two of their shades, and that's Chai and this one, Sly. So Chai is a little bit more on the cooler side, and this one is a little bit more warm and orangey. You can see already, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's one of my go-to now, and I can't stop using it. Though I actually don't use the liner much on top, because it's actually the same color as the liquid lipstick, but I like to use something a little bit more deeper in color to make my lips pop up. I will just let the liquid lipstick dry a little bit, then I think I will probably add a little bit dab of the highlighter too in my lips. I think I want to jewel up myself a little bit with this look, because it just goes with it so well. And these are actually I guess body jewels, but I'm going to be using them in my face. Who cares? So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and you can always tone it down and wear it as you want, so no worries about that. And I'll be adding all the product details in the description box below, so make sure you guys do check that out. And if you guys are already not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you guys do subscribe. Plus, if you guys do like this video, make sure to give this one a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me in my Instagram, because I'm mostly active in there. And also, do share this video with your friends and family and help me grow, because I love you guys so much. And these videos are basically for you guys, so I want your support. So make sure you guys do watch my videos and do subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys do follow me in my Facebook too. And I'll be catching you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye-bye.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember, that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5.